Hey, Amber here from TechNave. We're gonna do an unboxing and hands-on on the OPPO Find X. Let's go! Woo! So finally, OPPO has brought back the Find series back from the dead. This is legitly OPPO's best flagship because it carries a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, 8 gigs of RAM, and you have 256 gigs of storage. Yes! Instead, we'll be talking more about the design and of course the motorized camera here. Woo! First things first though, we're gonna talk about the 6.4 panoramic arc display right here, no notch, dual curve Super AMOLED display right here, and the chin is slightly thicker than the top, but that's fine because no notch. So to get access to the motorized camera, all you need to do is just tap to the camera app and voila, it's out already. Front camera here is a 25 megapixel. And the dual rear camera is hiding behind here, which is a 20 and a 16 megapixel camera. So cool. You probably also realize that there's no fingerprint sensor. Well, you are right. So in fact, it uses a face recognition security to unlock the phone, and surprisingly, it's pretty fast. All you gotta do is press the power button right here, and boom. Amazing. You might also have thought whether you can force pull this. Actually you can, but it just go back down like this. Also, if you put your finger here and you try to force it open, the mechanism actually won't force itself out that much. It will just detect your finger right there, and you just wait until you release it and it just come out. Yeah. And should the day comes when your camera gets stuck, no worries, you can just do a tap and it goes back in just like that. So simple. It's now available in Malaysia for 3,699 ringgit. So you want to get it, you can pre-order online right now. And stay tuned for a future review at technave.com. We'll see you guys next time. Able out. Woo!